Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll see how to sort the array elements or the elements which is included in some vectors. So how we'll sort that element in just a single line. Okay, we can sort all the elements in just a single line. Okay, for that we have a built-in function sort. So we'll see it for both the array and the vector. So first we will see how to sort the elements in a vector in ascending order or in descending order. So how to sort it? So first write the vector and then the type of the vector. Type of the vector is suppose integer and the name of the vector. And inside this vector there are some elements like 6, 4, 0, minus 5, 8, 11. Okay, so now we want to sort the elements. So there is a built-in function named sort and we can sort the elements using it. So inside this we have to write v, which is name of the vector. So v dot begin and then comma and then v dot end. We want to sort all the elements in the vector. So how we will know that the elements in the vector are sorted or not? So for that we have to bring the elements into the screen. So for that we'll write a for loop to bring the vector elements. So you know how to bring the vector elements. So inside this for loop write auto and then I equals to v dot begin. I not equals to v dot end and then I plus plus. We are using iterators here. So we can access the vector elements by writing star I. So this will access the vector elements. So after printing every elements, we want a space. Okay. So let's run it. So you can see there is an error. So the sort function is included in a header file. So we have to include that header file here. So as include and the sort function is included in algorithm header file. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, here you can see this is sorted and the elements are sorted in ascending order. So if you want the elements in a descending order, so just write your R. So R for reverse. So it will traverse from the reverse beginning to reverse end. So let's write again. Okay, here you can see it sorted the element in descending order. So this is how we can sort the elements using just a sort function. Okay, so if you want to sort the elements in an array, then how you will sort it? Well, for that we have to write an array. So suppose integer array and the name of the array is A and the array elements are 4, 9, 2, 0, minus 4, 5. Okay, these are the array elements and we want to sort this. So for that we have to write the sort function here. Then inside this write the name of the array and then again write the name of the array and then plus and then the number of elements in the array. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are present. So now you have to print the elements if the array is sorted or not. So for that we will write a for loop here for int I equals to 0 and I less than 6 I plus plus and output these array elements array of I and then give a space here. Okay, it's done. So let's run it. So here it is. So you can see the array elements are sorted.